1987 Chevy Caprice Brougham. Paint is in overall decent shape. She has a few opportunities, but if you're looking for a nice driver, this is it. Just a couple of blemishes on the driver door. Driver side floor pans and frame, excellent condition. As y'all can see, underneath has no room for opportunity. As y'all can see on the jambs and the doors, very solid. She has power windows, power locks, interior is in good condition, minor wear. Dash in good shape, has been wrapped. She has an aftermarket deck. Headliner good. Deck lid is in great shape. Trunk is nice and clean. She has a small block Chevy, power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Right up. Running good. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.